Types of fuel cells. As the working is similar, but there are some variations in different type of fuel cells we will discuss here. First one is polymer electrolyte membrane fuel cell. In such type of fuel cell, electrolyte used is PEMFC or polymer electrolyte. The temperature range is between 50 to 100 degree centigrade. A typical PEM fuel cell consists of bipolar plates, a catalyst, electrode and polymer membrane as we can see in diagram. It is eco-friendly and it can use for stationary and portable generation of power. Phosphoric acid fuel cell. The electrolyte used is phosphoric acid. Working temperature is 150 to 200 degrees centigrade. Electrons are forced to travel via cathode. Because non-conductive nature of phosphoric acid or the electrolyte we are using. Due to acidic nature of the electrolyte, the component of these cell tend to corrode or oxidize over time, so maintenance is required. Solid acid fuel cell, as the name suggests, the electrolyte material is solid acid material. Molecular structure allow only low temperature. At high temperature, the phase transition may occur. Some examples of solid acid are cesium hydrogen sulfate and cesium dihydrogen phosphate. Alkaline fuel cell. Aqueous alkaline solution is used as a electrolyte to saturate the porous matrix, which is used to separate the electrodes, and it is also forcing to move the electrons from anode to cathode. Operating temperature approx 90 degree. These cells are highly efficient, used to produce heat and water along with electricity. As we know that one more byproduct of fuel cell is heat, so it can also used to produce heat. In Apollo space program we have used alkaline fuel cell. It has high efficiency, and one more difference from other fuel cell is that here we can see it is shifting OH negative ion from cathode to anode, so water comes out at anode side. In previous fuel cells, water comes out at cathode side and H plus ion is shifted from anode to cathode. This is the major difference. Solid oxide fuels are also efficient fuel cells. These used stabilize zirconia or solid oxide or cesium electrolyte. The efficiency count is 85%. It is also have low cost. Operating temperature between 800 to 1000 degree centigrade. Lower limit is 600 degree. Solid oxide fuel cells are limited to stationary applications due to their high operating temperatures. So we cannot use it to the movable items.